Making a game in 10 minutes. So let's start. I start by making the tile map and the collision in the tile map in the godot engine. I didn't have the time to draw the sprites or to make the sounds, so I just used the basic PNG from the godot engine. I use it for the tile map and for the player. After setting up the tile map, setting up our level, I start making the player. I make the kinematic body. I make the sprite from the Godot PNG, and I added the collision in the camera. After that, I added the script. I just steal the script from the net, so don't blame me. I don't know a lot of the Godot engine, so I just steal the script. I put it into kinematic body scripts, and so we have a game now. You just need to climb to the top of the level to win, I think. So we make it a game in 10 minutes.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel